Welcome to the daily insights that matter. Now, over the past week, there has been a flurry of economic indicators coming to light. And just this morning, we got our hands on the India Services PMI Business Activity Index. Now, this index is derived from a survey encompassing approximately 400 service-oriented companies. Now, these firms share their insights and perspectives on both their current and anticipated business activities. Now, it spans across a wide spectrum of sectors including transportation, information technology, communication, finance, insurance, real estate, and various business services. Now, in PMI terms, a reading above 50 signifies expansion in the sector. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritties of the numbers. Now, according to S&P Global, India Service Purchase Managers Index or PMI for August clocked in a 60.1 reading. While this is slightly lower when compared to the robust 62.3 reading recorded in the month of July, it's essential to note that it's still a healthy figure. Now, if we backtrack a bit to June, the PMI was at 58.5. Looking further back in the month of August 2022, the services PMI in India stood at 56.2. So there has certainly been an upward trajectory over the past year. Now, what's noteworthy is that in August, Indian service companies marked a significant achievement by witnessing a record surge in new export businesses. So what's the key takeaways from all of this data? Now, well, despite the dip from 62.3 in the month of July to 60.1 in August, the seasonally adjusted S&P Global India Services PMI Business Activity Index indicates one of the most robust increases in output we've seen since mid-2010s. Now, the overall condition in the service sector will appear quite robust even in the face of elevated inflationary pressures. Furthermore, the reading has consistently remained above the 50 mark, which separates growth from contraction for an impressive 25th consecutive month. Now, this is the longest stretch that we've seen since August 2011, signifying a sustained period of growth within the sector. Now, in a digital age where financial transactions have become increasingly seamless, the Reserve Bank of India has taken a significant step forward to facilitate even smoother access to credit. Now, thanks to RBI's latest move, it has allowed banks to issue pre-sanctioned credit lines through UPI in a bid to expand the scope of UPI payment system. Now, to get this into perspective, earlier only the deposited amount available in the account could be transacted through the UPI system. However, with the recent announcement, RBI has expanded the scope of UPI by including credit lines issued by scheduled commercial banks to individuals for financial transactions. Now, in other words, the UPI network will now facilitate payments financed by credit from the banks. Additionally, banks will set forth the terms and conditions of the use of such credit lines, which includes the credit limit, the period of limit, rate of interest, etc. Now, the journey of UPI has indeed been a remarkable one, with the recent development of crossing 10 billion transactions for the first time in the month of August 2023. Now, this move by the RBI will have a dual benefit for consumers and lenders or the banks. For consumers, the credit line on UPI will offer customers the convenience of a credit card, especially those who do not have a credit card. Moreover, for the banks, it will allow them to offer more innovative products to the end user and reduce costs for banks in issuing credit cards, swipe machines, point of sale machines, etc. All in all, as the world progresses towards the digital age, India has emerged as one of the fastest growing ecosystems for fintech innovation. With that, this is Raj Mehta signing off, wishing you and your loved ones the very best. Thank you.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Equity investments are subject to market risk. Read all investment-related documents carefully. Visit www.researchandranking.com.